It's time for another DIY. I'm gonna show you how to take this orange fabric and turn it into this super sexy, very cool bodycon dress. You wanna find a fabric that's very stretchy, like a bathing suit material, and then you wanna lay it flat on a hard surface. You wanna get all the wrinkles out because when you lay your pattern on top, what you're gonna do is trace it and cut two halves, and you want the halves to match exactly. The way that I get my pattern is I just trace a dress that I already like the fit and use that as the pattern. So this pattern is a little longer than the dress that I want to make. So I'm just measuring to see exactly where I want to cut it at. And then I'm going to pin the pattern down to the fabric so that when I trace, it doesn't shift. And then I'm also measuring myself to make sure that it's exactly where I want it. So I'm just tracing the pattern onto the fabric using fabric chalk, and then I'm going to take my fabric scissors to cut out the pattern. So here I am just cutting, and when I'm done, I'm going to end up with two halves, the front and the back of the dress. So for this dress, we're not going to sew the dress together because it's going to be bound together with the laces. So I'm just creating a seam on each side of the dress so that it's a clean seam. So now I'm going to add the grommets to the dress, and I just placed it right on the fabric so you could see this is one side, just so I know where to situate it. And then I'm going to use a hole puncher to punch a hole in the fabric, and that is where I will place my grommet. And I'm just showing you here how I punch the hole into the fabric. And then I'm showing you here how I assemble the grommets. There's instructions right on the packet. You'll need a hammer for this to hammer it down, but they have the other tools in the packet. And then you can see here, it's super clean. This is where I'm gonna lace the string to connect both sides of the dress. And so here you have two sides. I'm using purple shoestring that I got at the dollar store to lace this dress, one string per each hole. Before I show you the final outcome of the dress, please make sure to like and subscribe and check the show notes for more tips. All right, this is the final look. I am so excited how this came out. It's one of those dresses where you don't really know exactly what the outcome is going to be. You see it come together as you're creating the dress, but this is going to be so cute for the summertime. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any tips. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for hanging with me. I will see you next time.